Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena. Today's practice is for anyone that's feeling tired, exhausted even before the day has begun. So this practice will help you to wake up and start your day with energy. So roll out your mat and let's begin. Let's come standing on the mat. Just take a deep breath in and breathe out. This time breathing in and taking your hands up. And as you breathe out, let your hands come down. Breathe in again. And as you breathe out, just allow your hands to drop and breathe out. One more time, breathe in. And this time, as you breathe out, just come back like you're sitting in a chair and just stretch up. Stretch. And then take your hands down. Let's come to the top of the mat. You're going to breathe in, stretch up. And as you come down, you're going to come down to a plank. Then we're going to take one foot in front. And then we're going to come into a twist. Remember to focus on your breath, because as you breathe deeply, it allows you to energize and nourish your organs, your body, really can energize the body. Let's take that foot back and come back up again. Let's breathe in and stretch up. And as you breathe out, let's come down into a plank. Let's take the other foot in front. Coming into a twist. Coming down. Taking that foot back. Coming back up again. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathing out. Calm down. Take the other foot in front. Let's do a twist again. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathe out, hands down. Let's take that foot back. And coming up. One more time, calming down into plank. Taking the other foot in front. Going up into a twist. Breathing out, hands down. Taking the foot back. And coming back. Now just staying here for a moment. Letting your head hang. You're bringing your hands to your elbows or behind your ankles, your calves. Do whatever feels comfortable. Take a breath here. And then coming up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, taking your hands in the air, putting your hands together, bringing your hands to your chest, just taking a breath here. Then coming in the middle of your mat, taking your legs wide, breathing in, breathing out and coming down again, breathing in, stretch up, breathing out. One more time, breathe in, stretch up, breathe out and come down. One more time, breathe in, keep your legs straight, and then you're just going to come down here. Now, you may not be able to come all the way down, so you might be here, might be to be here, or even take your hands to the mat. And then just moving from side to side, breathing in as you come one way, breathing out as you come the other way. One more time, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And then taking one hand up, bringing it down and then taking it to the ankle, and that's bringing the other arm up. Let's take that hand down. Let's take the other arm up again, taking it down, hand up. Let's do that one more time. Hand up, taking it to the ankle, or you might be here. That's great. Now let's take the other arm up, breathing in, and as you breathe out, take it to that knee, shin or ankle, and up. Let's do that again, breathing in, stretching up, taking the hand to the ankle or the shin or even the knee. One more time, breathe in, stretch. Take it to the ankle, the shin, or the knee, or even the thigh. And then coming up vertebrae by vertebrae. Feeling all that energy, breathing deeply, ready for your day. Just standing here for a minute, maybe eyes closed or a soft gaze on a point. Maybe you're feeling some movement, some energy, some sensation, tingling. Gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Thank you for joining me for this morning energizing yoga class. Hope you enjoyed it. Do share it with anyone who could do with a little bit of energy for their day. And I look forward to practicing with you again. Till next time, namaste.